Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to crop ride on Strava. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Strava application, and from here just simply go to the U icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on the U, and from here just simply go to the activities at the top over here. So make sure you are on the activities tab, and you should be able to see here all of your activities. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on your activity that you want to crop. So as you can see, I have here a ride. So just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you should be able to see here crop activity. And now from here, guys, it is very simple. So from here, you can adjust the start time manually. So as you can see, when I tap on it, we should be able to manually and slowly crop it. Or you can just simply tap on the green icon. And as you can see, we should be able to move it much faster. And it will be the same process at the finish line as well. So you can crop it where do you want to crop the ride. So let's say I'm gonna crop it over here and I'm satisfied with this, and just simply tap on save on the top right. And after that, as you can see, this action cannot be undone, and just simply tap on crop. And from there, it will process your activity and it will let you know once it has been updated. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.